Hi children, we are in 14th chapter right now, statistics. Okay, in statistics we people are dealing with all the three central tendencies: mean, median, mode. Already mean completed. Now we people are in mode. So let us start mode. What is mode, children? Mode is nothing but most frequently occur data. Now mode we have to calculate for grouped data, ungrouped data. See, what is ungrouped data, children? Normal like numbers is given like this. It is called ungrouped data. So in this ungrouped data, most frequently occurred. What is most frequently occurred? First let us read these numbers: 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is repeated most number of times? 2. 2 is the number repeated most number of times. So 2 is called your mode. Okay. This is only for ungrouped data. Now let us deal with grouped data. In a grouped frequency distribution, it is not possible to determine the mode by looking at the frequencies. Here we can only locate the class with maximum frequency, called a modal class. The mode is the value inside the modal class and is given by the formula. See here, for grouped data, so mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F2 minus F0 into H. See children, all these terms going to be explained now. So L is equals to lower boundary, H is equals to class size, F1 frequency of the model class, F2 frequency of succeeding model class, F0 frequency of preceding model class. So I can explain you using this sum only. First of all children, I am going to read this question and I'll explain each term from here. See, so one of the mode question is given here. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in the hospital on a particular day. So age is given as 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55 and 55 to 65, and number of patients, nothing but frequency. So this is called frequency. So number of patients: 5 to 15 age group 6, 15 to 25 age group 11 members, 25 to 35 21 members, 35 to 45 23 members, 45 to 55 14 members and 55 to 65 5 members are there. Now he gave like this: find the mode. So this is a grouped data. So for finding out grouped data, we use this formula, mode formula. So for this we should identify the model class, children. Now what is the definition of mode, children? Most frequently occur data. So which frequency is more here? 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. So 23 frequency is more among all those frequencies. So your model class is this, children. See there, I circled it. 35 to 45, 23 members, that is your model class. First your identification done. This is your model class which is having more number of frequency, 23. First term L, lower boundary of model class is 35. So your L is 35. Identify, children. Okay, H is the class size, children. Second term, H is the class size. What is the difference between 5 and 15, children? 15 minus 5 is 10. So your class size H is 10, children. You can see over here. Next term, F1 frequency of the model class. So here 23 is your frequency of the model class. Next thing, you should know what is the meaning of successor and predecessor. Successor means next, right? So F2 is the frequency of succeeding model class. See here, 14, 23 after. That is your frequency of succeeding model class. Okay, preceding means before model class, F0. See here, F1 is your model class, F0 is before and F2 is after that is successor model class. Now you understood all these 3 points, children. So whatever the things it is there in your formula right now, everything we recognized using this table. Just I wrote ages, whatever is given I wrote, and whatever frequency, number of patients I wrote like this. I identified first lower boundary, next F1 is model class, F0 and F2. We identified everything using this table. Now just you should substitute. See here, in the place of L you should write 35. Why? L is 35 here. In the place of F1 what you should write? 23. Okay, in the place of F0 you have to write 21. Now 2 F1, 2 into 23. Why, children? Your F1 is 23 here. Just you substituted 23. 2 into 23 minus F2 is nothing but 14. Okay, you can write before 14 and after 21. In mode formula, we substituted each and every numbers. Now just we need to simplify. Okay, so 35 plus, what is 23 minus 21, children? 2 by 2, 23 ja 46 minus 14 minus 21. Both of them are negative numbers. So just 4 plus 1 5, 1 plus 2 3, 35 into 10 will be like that. So 35 plus 2 by 6 minus 5 1, 4 minus 3 1. So just you need to multiply with 10. 35 plus 2 into 10 by 11. So this 10, children. Okay, is equals to 35 plus 2 10 ja 20 by 11. So just what you should do, children, you should do the division here. So 20 11. Okay, so 11 1 ja 11, 9, okay, 90, 8 ja 11, 8 ja 88, nothing but 2. Okay, again you can put a 0 over here. 11 1 ja 11. Why 11 2 ja 22? It's more, no? So 20 minus 11 is nothing but 9. Finally you'll get 8 here. 3 up to 3 digits it is enough. Okay, so your 2 will be left here. So 35 plus, again it is going to be repeated, so we can write it as approximately 819. See this addition, children, who don't know, for them only. 35.000 plus 1.819. Just add 918.36.819. So this is your final answer and mode. See here, exercise 14.2 is your homework, children. As you people don't have textbook, I am giving this page also here. See, children, in 14.2 you have 6 sums. All the 6 sums your homework. Okay, let us meet in the next class. If you have any problem with mode and mean, you can ask me, right? Thank you, children.